Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I've got this beautiful brass vintage Almont ReKey rekeyable core padlock. Wanted to shout out my good friend Lockpicking Hippie for sending me this back in the day. I still have it, I still love it, I still cherish it, and we're gonna give you what you've all been wanting. A shackle pop. Alright, let's do this. I'm trying to remember. I think, was it? Okay. There we go. Okay. All right, my brother Hippie. Ka-chow! Slade! Hippie, I absolutely love this one. And take a look at it. Did you notice how shiny it is now since since I sent it off to my fucking good friend Isamu Sushi? He polished it right up and it looks brand new now. And I absolutely thank you both very much. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. As I said, link to Hippie's channel will be in the title of this video. I appreciate all you Lock Junkies watching. Until next time, it's going to be a like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I will catch you later. Ciao.